Welcome to the installation video for the 3-way closet mirror from Sidelines by Rev-A-Shelf. Before we begin, you will need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a level, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a 3-way mirror, 4 Euro screws, 4 wood screws, 6 mirror screws, and a frame. Pull out the frame and swivel into a perpendicular position. Align with the holes in the back of the mirror at the desired height. Before securing, ensure the larger head of the piston-like gas spring is on top. The gas spring is pre-assembled. However, if you find that the big head will not be positioned on top once installed, then you will need to flip the gas spring over. To do this, unscrew the 2 screws at the top and bottom of the spring and reverse its position so that the head will be upright once installed. Now secure using the 6 mirror screws. If your mirror lines up with the existing system holes in your partition, you can attach using the 4 Euro screws. There is no need to pre-drill. To install on a flat surface, have someone hold the mirror to gauge the placement. Ensure it is level and mark 4 holes through the frame with your pencil. Pre-drill the holes using your 3/32 inch bit. Align the frame over the pre-drilled holes and secure using the 4 wood screws. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.